Mustard greens have been consumed for over 5,000 years and are widely believed to have originated from the Himalayan region of India. Today, it is common to find mustard greens throughout Europe, Northern Africa, India, and Asia, as well as North America and the Pacific. All varieties of mustard come from the Cruciferae family, which is a large family of plants with four-petaled flowers including mustards, cabbages, broccoli, turnips, cressuses, and their many relatives. Red mustard greens have broad wrinkled leaves with a violet-purple overlay and purple-green variegation. The leaves grow to 30 centimeters in length and up to 12 centimeters in width. Red mustard leaves are succulent and tender when young, with a moderate peppery note and subtle nutty finish. As they mature, flavors sharpen and become more robust with notes of pepper, garlic, and mustard. Giant red mustard is a hardy plant that can grow in full sun to part shade. It requires moist but well-drained fertile soil. All mustard greens, but especially the red varieties, are considered to be cool season annuals. Companion plants include celery, chamomile, corn, dill, garlic, mint, onions, rosemary, sage, and yarrow. Keep mustard away from beans, nightshades, and strawberries. Mustard greens are packed with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and protective antioxidants, including polyphenols. Yet because of their slimming calorie count, mustard greens' nutrition to calorie ratio makes them one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet.